And we go back inside the ring. This is Sandman Bob. We go back inside the ring.
Wala. Check.
Ako naririnig ko siya. Hindi mo ako naririnig.
Baka...
Hindi, ito yung gamit ko kanina.
Oh yeah, palit.
Check na naman. Isa, one to eh.
Okay lang yan, sige. Kaya natin yan. Siyempre, Adon in the Johnny Elorde white and black trunks, and he is up against Dogwe from Ifugao Boxing Stable wearing red and black trunks. Adon pushing the pace and has Dogwe against the ropes. However, Dogwe was able to veer away from that onslaught as they go back center of the ring. These are very formidable boxers, John, coming from reputable stables. So this is going to be a very interesting matchup. And so far, your initial thoughts, John, as we approach the minute and 50 mark of the very first round.
And I think...
Thoughts, John, as we approach the minute and 50 mark of the very first round.
And I think...
John, as we approach the minute and 50 mark of the very first round.
That will speak for itself.
Alright!
Huwag nyo na isipin yung thoughts ko. Just look at what happened right there.
Eka lang po, ha? Vicious right hand. From the boxer ng Johnny Elorde Boxing as he continues his onslaught. He has Dogwe against the ropes. Ang pinakamali lang siguro dito na mangyayari dyan is he becomes very, very reckless.
So it's a matter of balancing yung taking advantage of the opportunity and not being reckless, Franco.
And what about that power shot, JC? Diba? Adtuon sending Dogwe to the canvas in the very first round.
Pero props to Dogwe. Nakatayo siya agad and lumala. Ayan na. Hindi pa ako tapos. Bumagsak na. Props to Dogwe. Nakatayo siya agad and lumala. Ayan na. Hindi pa ako tapos. Bumagsak na naman siya.
Diba? 2 knockdowns in the very first round. 58-second mark as the referee stops the fight. Charlie Adtuon, very, very impressive in this fight card. John, yung setup ni Adtuon dun eh, di ba? He made sure na proper distance management, di ba? Tapos, he was very composed, very technical yung bato nung kanang kamay na yun, di ba?
Perfect setup eh.
And he was very decisive kasi with his attacks.
Winner by technical knockout, Charlie Adtuon.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
What a great way to start itong